Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to fix NVIDIA GeForce Experience login error. So guys, this is simple way you can do, just only follow these steps. Let's get started. Open the raw window guys, and as you can see here, and type ncpa.cpl and give it the goal guys, and that's all of your internet connection driver, and will pop up simply disable and enable. And you can using, in my case I'm using this Wi-Fi in my home and just need to enable, and then change my Wi-Fi network to are more stable. And don't try opening GeForce Experience and check this problem is solved or not. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.